What's up guys, Mr. Tech Hobby here, and today on Review 2 I'm going to be reviewing the old GoPro case and the new GoPro case. Let's get started. This is the aluminum frame, and to put the GoPro in, you just slide the back door up. And slide the GoPro in. And put the door back down. The new case is made out of aluminum. The new case also makes it a little bit harder to get to the buttons. This case does fit in the floaty, but it takes some muscle to get it in. You just slide it in and latch it down. The downside to the old case is it's only made out of plastic. With the standard housing, you have no trouble getting to the buttons. Of course, this one also fits in the floaty, and it doesn't take as much struggle. I prefer the aluminum case because it is made out of a better material, but the plastic case comes standard with your GoPro.